I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money on Weebly, follow these simple steps to set it up correctly. Step 1. Create a Weebly account. Start by signing up for a Weebly account if you don't already have one. Go to the Weebly website and click on Get Started. Step 2. Choose a plan. Select a plan that supports e-commerce features. The business or performance plan is recommended for receiving payments. Step 3. Set up your online store. In your Weebly dashboard, navigate to the Store tab. Here, you can add products or services you want to sell. Step 4. Connect a payment processor. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Publish your site. Once everything is set up, click on the Publish button to make your site live. This will allow customers to start making purchases. Remember, if you choose PayPal, ensure your email is verified to avoid any payment issues. Good luck with your Weebly store.